Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Welcome to Crafting, the ultimate guide to designing an exquisite swimming pool, ideas and insights. In this comprehensive video, we will take you on a journey into the world of luxury pool design, where imagination meets craftsmanship to create stunning aquatic masterpieces. Greetings, we are thrilled to be your guide on this exploration of crafting the perfect swimming pool. Whether you're a discerning homeowner with an eye for design or an aspiring pool enthusiast, we're here to provide you with the inspiration and knowledge you need to embark on this exhilarating journey of pool creation. Let's plunge into the foundational aspects of creating an exquisite pool. The initial planning stage is where dreams take shape in the real world. Begin by meticulously assessing your outdoor space, its dimensions, topography, and how sunlight bathes the area throughout the day. Enlisting the expertise of an accomplished architect or designer is a game changer. They will assist in harmonizing aesthetics with practicality, ensuring your vision merges seamlessly with the physical constraints of your landscape. By considering factors such as the pool's orientation, wind patterns, and visual integration, a design that transcends expectations can be achieved. Think of your pool as a work of art that interacts with nature. The choice of its position and shape can enhance the visual appeal while optimizing the usage of space. Collaborating with professionals ensures that every contour and detail aligns harmoniously, creating a pool that not only delights the eye, but also functions seamlessly within your outdoor oasis. Now, let's take a dive into the enchanting world of pool features and accessories that can elevate your pool to a realm of sheer opulence. Picture waterfalls cascading gently over natural stone formations, graceful fountains choreographing their movements to the whispers of the wind, and intelligent lighting that paints the water with a palette of colors as the sun sets. The key to designing exceptional features lies in their ability to blend seamlessly with the pool's aesthetic. Consider how these features enhance the overall atmosphere. Water features, for instance, introduce an auditory and visual symphony that complements the soothing sensation of swimming. Lighting, on the other hand, transforms the pool's character at different times of the day, creating an ambience that adapts to your moods. Remember, however, that opulence is not just about appearances, it's about experience. Safety should always be a primary consideration. Incorporating features like child-proof fencing, robust pool covers, and discreet underwater alarms ensures that your luxurious pool remains a secure and enjoyable haven for all. The selection of materials holds the power to shape the very soul of your pool. Each material contributes a distinct texture and hue to the canvas of your creation. Deliberate choices like travertine tiles for timeless sophistication, or vibrant mosaic tiles for a touch of artistic flair can leave an indelible mark. The choice of materials is an artistic decision that can redefine the pool's character. From elegant natural stones to sleek, modern tiles, each material contributes to the tactile and visual experience. But, beyond aesthetics, durability is paramount. The chosen materials should withstand the test of time, the elements, and the wear and tear of pool use. This ensures that your pool remains as beautiful as the day it was born. Additionally, consider the interplay between the pool's materials and the surrounding environment. A thoughtful selection can create a harmonious synergy between the pool, the landscape, and the architecture, turning your pool into a central masterpiece that ties everything together. An exquisite swimming pool is but one stroke on the larger canvas of your outdoor sanctuary. The art of landscaping harmonizes the pool with its environment, creating a symphony of tranquility and visual delight. Landscaping is where nature meets design, where lush greenery, soothing sounds of rustling leaves, and meandering pathways coalesce to create an atmosphere of serenity. Consider indigenous plants that flourish in your climate, creating a vibrant yet low-maintenance ecosystem around the pool. The poolside experience extends beyond the water's edge. Thoughtfully designed lounging areas invite relaxation and socialization, while pathways guide you through hidden nooks that offer respite from the world. With the right landscaping, your pool area will become a haven of tranquility, an intimate escape that blurs the boundaries between your living space and the natural world. Your pool is a testament to your personal style and aspirations. Whether you're captivated by the allure of a Mediterranean escape, drawn to the clean lines of contemporary design, or enchanted by the tropical idyll, your pool's design should resonate with your essence. Style is the language your pool speaks to the world. Through color palettes, furnishings, and decor, you can imbue your pool area with the ambience that reflects your innermost desires. Mediterranean themes may introduce earthy tones and classical elements, while contemporary designs embrace minimalism and sleek lines. To heighten the immersive experience, ensure that the chosen style extends beyond the pool's water. Select furniture, lighting fixtures, and landscaping elements that seamlessly integrate with the overarching theme. This cohesive approach creates an environment where every detail tells a story, making your pool an authentic expression of your lifestyle. As we conclude this immersive odyssey into the realm of luxury pool design, remember that crafting an exquisite swimming pool is akin to composing a symphony. Each element plays its part in creating an opulent masterpiece that intertwines with your lifestyle. We appreciate you joining us on this journey. If this guide has sparked your imagination, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. Stay tuned for more design revelations and ideas. Until then, may your pool dreams flourish into reality.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.